Going on, World Wide Web, it's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Yep, I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always sharing with you guys. Guys, today I'm back at another video to talk to you guys about the 7-day work week. Actually, 7 days. I shouldn't say 7 days, guys. 7-hour work week. Honestly, I just say 7-hour work week because that seems like a nice round number. But actually, guys, you can do what I'm about to introduce you to in far less than 7 hours a week. You can probably do it in about 3 or 4 hours a week. I just like 7 because 7 is a cool number. But here's the thing. You ain't got to talk to nobody. You ain't got to do no YouTube videos. You ain't got to try to entice friends and family to join you. You simply, guys, jump in here, right? And follow through with the blueprint, the step-by-step instructions we give you. And you can just make money, guys. Now, everybody say, you got to say an income disclaimer when you talk about this. Okay, I'll say an income disclaimer. I can't tell you how much money you're going to make, guys, because I don't know what you're going to do. But I can tell you one thing. I've made a lot of money online using systems like this, okay? And if you guys jump in here and you just follow through with what we're gonna tell you to do, there's no reason why, guys, you can't make some decent money working less than 7 hours a week, okay? I like the 7-hour work week, okay? You know, I like saying 7 hours again. You guys get in here, sign up for free, do what we tell you to do, start making money anytime. I'm acting like a clown, guys, because I'm having fun and I'm super pumped and I'm super excited. But if you're finding me, guys, and you're on this page on YouTube, go down and click the link below in this YouTube description area in the YouTube video. Or if you guys are finding me any other way, give me your name and email address, guys, and I'm going to run you over to what I'm affectionately referring to as the 7-day workday 7-hour work week system, guys. You really can start really doing this thing, and you really can do it in record-breaking time. Again, you don't have to do any videos. Nobody has to ever know what you're doing, guys, and you can make money with this system. So I want you guys to see it. So go down and click the link below if you're on my YouTube video. If you're finding me any other way, give me your name and your email address, guys. It's a nice sunny winter's day out here. I'm going to cut on some music, guys, and I'm getting ready to rock out, okay? So I'm going to get out of here, guys. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the inside.